foodies, welcome to Foodland. Wow, this is mango season and we are getting fresh mangoes in the market. So I thought of making a mango cake today, actually in this mango season, so that you can try this out. And let's get started with very simple mango cake recipe. I will be doing this quick and easy mango cake with the store-bought packet so that you don't have to add a lot of other stuff. Just get store-bought packet. I have taken classic yellow and just follow the instructions. So they have given 1/3 of a cup of oil, 1 cup of water. I'm only adding half a cup right now. Alright, so let's start beating this and getting this mixture ready. Three eggs as per instructions, so I'm adding egg one by one. Let's add some more water. This is all well beaten. Since it's a mango cake, I'm adding 1/3 cup of mango pulp. I have the store-bought Kesar mango pulp, so I'm adding that. Let's whisk this again. Alright, so I have my baking pan greased well. So let's pour this. And look at this, my mango cake batter is here now. I just tapped it and my oven is preheating. So once my oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, I'm going to get this cake batter baked. Alright, so my cake pan is now in the oven, and as I've said before, 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. I'm going to check it after 20 minutes how much it baked and how much what's the color for that. Alright, so while my cake is baking, I'm going to get started with the decoration or the topping of the cake. Okay, so while my cake is baking, I am going to start getting the whipping cream whipped to soft peaks. This is 1 cup of whipping cream. Alright, so I'm not done yet. I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, just lightly sweetened. You can also add the mango pulp to get the yellow frosting, but I'm going to make the white frosting, so I'm just adding sugar in here. so you might be able to see this is forming up nicely. We have to get this to hard peaks now. After sugar is added, we will get this to hard peak. It's almost done. Let's do some like for another 2 minutes or so. And here also it is hard peaks now, perfectly done. So let me keep it in the refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes of baking on 350 Fahrenheit, this is the result. My cake is completely baked. The result or the true test is just insert the toothpick and see if it comes clear. It's perfectly clear. There's nothing sticking on the toothpick. So I'm going to let it cool off just like this on the tray for about half an hour. Alright, so my cake is now completely cool off on normal temperature. And let's get the piping bag and add the icing. This easy, simple way to decorate this cake. I have just added some tutti-frutti on the top just to get that beautiful colors, and that is my mango cake. I hope you like this recipe, and going to give it a try at home. I'm going to keep it in the fridge and cut it shortly. Thank you so much, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And look at this, so beautiful and gorgeous and so fresh this mango cake is. I'm not a baker, I just did it as I liked to do this. So look at this beautiful fresh mango pieces on the top and nice fresh icing. And this is nothing special, I have just poured the mango pulp on the side, and look at this beautiful decoration. I'm so happy that it came out so good. I hope you also like this recipe, and do try it at home and let me know your comments and feedback. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye.